Hello, this is Laura. Next time mentioning post-soldering. Post-soldering is a very important process in PCB placement processing. Its quality directly affects the function of the PCB board, so it's necessary to pay more attention to the DIP plugging process. After wave soldering, workers first remove the high-temperature adhesive paper and check the back of the PCB on tin situation. The first piece is used as a reference to determine whether to cut the fit and jump caps. And after completion, the next step is carried out after checking again for accuracy. The general standard for cutting the fit is between 1.5 to 2.5 mm from the PCB board. Then comes post-soldering, because some components cannot be soldered by wave soldering machine according to the limitations of the process and the materials, and can only be completed by hand. The tool used is a high-power soldering iron, and the temperature is generally set at between 380 to 400 degrees, depending on the actual situation and the special nature of the PCBA. The PCBA board should be tested after soldering. Before testing, confirm whether the status of the equipment is normal, whether the working air pressure and program settings are in accordance with the regulations, whether the test tools are in line with the specifications of the machine, and if there are any abnormalities, contact the relevant personnel in time. Test the PCB board to see if all functions are normal. If abnormal, then repair and retest.